If your roof starts leaking, don't panic just yet. There's a secret trick that craftsmen have kept hidden for decades. When the rain starts, water begins dripping down. This is a serious problem, and it needs to be fixed immediately. This is clearly visible when viewed from above. Let's get to work right away. First, I prepare a small piece of wire mesh. Then, we measure the hole so we can cut the mesh to fit the size of the opening in the roof. Then, we cut it according to the size we measured. You probably wouldn't expect this. This simple shirt can actually save the situation in an emergency. It may look ordinary, but this is exactly what we're going to use to fix the problem. Next, we measure the wire mesh on the shirt, then cut it to match the size of the mesh. And here is the main material for the repair: gasoline mixed with styrofoam. It might look unusual, but this mixture turns into a very strong adhesive. This is an old trick that not many people know. Simple, yet incredibly effective. After the two materials have dissolved, stir them evenly. Make sure the texture is well mixed for the best results. Now, it's time to start the repair. This is the most crucial part. Watch each step carefully, because this is where the hole will finally be sealed. Stay until the end. And don't forget to support us by subscribing to the channel. Now we move to the crucial step: the application. Use a brush and slowly apply the mixture over the entire hole. Make sure every gap is fully covered, because this is where the strength of the repair is determined. Once the adhesive is evenly applied, it's time to use the piece of shirt we prepared earlier. Place it gently over the coated area, then press it down until it fully sticks. This is where a simple shirt turns into a reinforcing layer, helping seal and strengthen the repair. But this is only the basic step. The real part starts now. After the first layer of shirt is attached, apply the adhesive mixture again on top. Then add the wire mesh as reinforcement, and cover it with another layer of shirt. This layering makes the patch much stronger, as the shirt acts like fiber, binding and reinforcing the entire repair. Once all the layers are evenly applied, now it's time to let it dry completely. At this stage, patience is key because the final result depends on this process. After it dries, I spray paint it to make it more durable and prevent it from deteriorating. And without realizing it, an old, unused shirt can actually become a strong and useful alternative material.
বেশ, বেশ। 네.